All right, a judge has gone ahead and dismissed the manslaughter charge in the Daniel Perry trial after the jury was hopelessly deadlocked on the issue, going back and forth on it for the better part of the afternoon. Ultimately, the judge dropping it. But, of course, it's not over. There is one remaining, and that is criminally negligent behavior on the part of Penny during that whole incident. That, of course, is in the eye of the beholder, and 12 jurors who clearly couldn't agree on the more serious manslaughter charge. Anyone's guess how they will rule when they come back on this lesser charge. CB Cotton with more in New York. CB.
Hi, Neil. Well, what this essentially means at this point is that Daniel Penny's future still hangs in limbo for the time being until at least Monday, and we still don't know what Monday will bring, how jurors will deliberate and what they'll think about their next task at hand. We know that in terms of that top charge, second-degree manslaughter, they were deadlocked twice on that charge today, and now they're tasked on Monday with deliberating on criminally negligent homicide. It does come with a possible prison sentence of up to 4 years, but I want to read from New York penal law because this gets very interesting right here. There's an alternative definition for a Class E felony, which is what criminally negligent homicide is here in New York. It says, having regard to the nature and circumstance of the crime and to the history and character of the defendant, is of the opinion that a sentence of imprisonment is necessary, but it would be unduly harsh to impose an indeterminate or determinate sentence. The court may impose a definite sentence of imprisonment and fix a term of 1 year or less. So if the jury, that's a lot of legal speak right there, but if the jury were to decide to convict and find Daniel Penny guilty on criminally negligent homicide, the judge at that point could have some discretion with his sentencing for this charge. So there's a lot more to watch with this story. It's not done for now, but Penny's defense team may be breathing a small sigh of relief knowing that second-degree manslaughter is at least off the table.
All right, CB, thank you very much for that. We'll keep